Straight Talk verification emails are essential for account activation and password resets. However, these emails often end up in spam folders due to spam filtering mechanisms. Email systems flag potential spam based on sender reputation, content keywords, and user behavior. Straight Talk emails come from @straighttalk.com or verizon.com, but can be misclassified because of high sending volume or generic subject lines. Also, double check for typos in your email address when signing up, as this is a common mistake. Regulatory pressures from the FCC have prompted Straight Talk to update their help articles, ensuring users are informed about potential delays due to ISP filters or email provider policies. First, immediately check your spam or junk folder for the verification email. If the email is there, mark it as not spam or whitelist the domains to prevent future issues. Use the Resend verification button in the Straight Talk app or website. You can resend up to 3 times per 24 hours. If the email still doesn't arrive, try clearing your browser cache or using incognito mode. As a last resort, contact Straight Talk support via chat or phone for manual verification. Another option is to switch to SMS verification, which is more reliable.